Hi, in this video, I'll tell you about positive and negative rational numbers, equivalent rational numbers, standard form of a rational number, and how to change the numerator or denominator of a rational number. A positive rational number is a rational number in which numerator and denominator both are either positive or negative. In example 5 by 9, both the numerator and denominator are positive, and in minus 4 by minus 11, both the numerator and denominator are negative. So both these numbers are positive rational numbers. Whereas in example minus 5 by 9 and 4 by minus 11, one of the numerator or denominator is negative. So this number will be a negative rational number. So a positive rational number is a number which has numerator and denominator both either positive or negative, and a negative rational number is a number in which numerator and denominator either one of them is negative. 0 is a rational number which is neither positive nor negative. What are equivalent rational numbers? We convert a rational number into an equivalent rational number by two methods. First is we multiply the numerator and the denominator with a common integer, and the result that we get is an equivalent rational number of the given number. The other method is we divide the numerator and the denominator with a common factor of both numerator and denominator. The result that we get is a equivalent rational number of the given number. So 10 by 15 can be converted into an equivalent rational number by two methods. In first method, we have multiplied it with integer 2. So the result that we get is 20 by 30. And in second method, we divided both numerator and denominator with common factor 5. And the result that we got is 2 by 3. So we can say that 10 by 15, 20 by 30 and 2 by 3 are equivalent rational numbers. Now what is the standard form of a rational number? To convert a number into its standard form, we need to make sure of two things. First, the denominator should not be negative. First, if the denominator is negative, we have to convert it to positive by multiplying minus 1 with the numerator and the denominator both. So in given example 68 by minus 119, the denominator is negative. So we multiply both numerator and denominator with minus 1 and we get minus 68 by 119. Now the second step is to divide both the numbers with the HCF of both the numbers. The HCF of 68 and 119 is 17. So we divide 68 and 119 with 17. And we get the result as minus 4 by 7. So we can say that the standard form of 68 by minus 119 is minus 4 by 7, which is also an equivalent rational number of 68 by minus 119. Now, how do we express a rational number with a given denominator value or numerator value? For this, we'll understand it with an example. If we have minus 12 by 13 and we have to convert denominator 13 into minus 65, how we'll do this is, first of all, we'll find out what should be multiplied with 13 to get minus 65. For that, we need to divide minus 65 with 13 and we get minus 5. That means if we multiply minus 5 with 13, we will get the desired denominator. So we will multiply minus 5 with numerator and denominator both, so that we get the equivalent fraction of equivalent rational number of minus 12 by 13, which will be the rational number with denominator minus 65. That's what we need. Now, how do we check if two given rational numbers are equivalent or not? This again can be done with two methods. First method is to find out the standard form of the given numbers. So if we are given two rational numbers minus 3 by 9 and 7 by minus 21. We will find out the standard form of both the numbers one by one. If the standard form is same, we can say that both the numbers are equivalent rational numbers. Another method is cross multiplication of numerator of first rational number with denominator of second rational number and denominator of first rational number with numerator of second rational number. So we get 63 as the product by multiplying the numerator 1 with denominator 2 and numerator 2 with denominator 1. Since the products are same, we can say that both the rational numbers are equivalent rational numbers.